be a coal mining cabin. And they thought that they could mine coal out of here, and they only did it for a couple years. It's too expensive to mine, and so they went ahead and closed it down. But you know, that was many years ago. And that's before the trees were around here. I talked earlier that there were no trees in the 80s. So it makes you wonder where they did get the trees from. Or where they, yeah. And then took them to the other side. You okay, sweetie pea? Yes, you are. This morning I could see that cabin. I showed somebody out at Dialson, but I'm going to pay attention to driving, according to Rochelle, and I'm going to let you look for it. How long do you think it is? Okay. Too far. See, there's the plane. There goes your kids. You should take a picture of the plane taking your kids.
I tried.
You tried?
Yeah.